12 minutes affiliate with While You Sleep technology. Click on the first link in the description box below. Is 12-minute affiliate a scam? The short answer is yes, 12-minute affiliate is a scam. The long answer is the next. There are two main ways an online course can be a scam. Take your money and run off into the sunset, never to be heard from again. Provide some information but it doesn't live up to their promises. Whilst you can see you will receive something for your money, it is also not possible for you to make $460 profit a day from 12 minutes of work. Fact. Now, you may be able to earn $460 a day from 12 minutes of work. But technically Devon didn't say that would be profit, did he? Let me ask you this. Would you be willing to spend $1,000 a day to make $460? No, neither would I. 12-minute affiliate, the good. With all of this being said, here are some of the things I like about 12-minute affiliate. Number 1, legit business model. As you've already seen in this 12-minute affiliate review, affiliate marketing is a legit business model that people use. However, it only works long-term when people are honest and genuinely help people to solve their problems. The more you read this 12-minute review, the more you will realize the truth about the program. Number 2, done for you landing pages and swipe copy. If you are naturally lazy, who isn't? Then this will jump out as being the best thing since sliced bacon. It means that you can put a sales funnel in place in a matter of hours, not really 12 minutes, instead of days or weeks. If you are good at tracking and testing to see what works, it can be a great way to fast-track your results. Number 3, 60-day money-back guarantee. This is always a great sign, as you can see that Devon and the team truly believe in the product and are willing to give your money back if it doesn't work for you. A great tip is to contact ClickBank directly if you find it hard to get a response from the team. Sometimes ClickBank products try to drag it out past the 60-day window, but ClickBank themselves can help here. 12-minute affiliate, the hidden truths. Number 1, no traffic equals no business. Everything else you have read in this 12-minute affiliate review is irrelevant. These next 3 points really explain exactly what you need to be aware of before you start chucking money at it. The only way 12-minute affiliate helps you to get traffic is by paying for visitors. This method is called solo ads, where they will email an existing email list with a link to your landing page, which was made for you. There is no training on how you can get free traffic. In fact, there's no training on how to create your own website.
You are solely reliant on spending money to send visitors your way, and you have no idea who they will be. This leads on to number 2, the hidden costs. So now you know you will have to keep spending money on getting traffic. You will also need to spend at least $19 a month on the Aweber autoresponder. You don't have an option of which autoresponder to use, as the whole system is linked to Aweber. Simply put, you need to spend $47 a month on 12-minute affiliate, at least $99 a month on traffic, likely much more if you want it to work. $19 a month on Aweber. Total spend every month equals $165 bare minimum. That's not the worst thing though, as you're about to discover. Number 3, can you even make a profit? Devon's sales tactics are quite clever. As stated earlier in this 12-minute affiliate review, it may be possible to make $460 a day with 12 minutes of work. But that won't be profit. Number 4, black hat sales tactics. This leads on nicely to this big red flag. Devon uses deceitfulness and clever wording to make you want to join. If this is the guy you are learning from, you can guarantee these will be the tactics you'll end up using to sell to other unsuspecting victims. Even if you're okay with that, reread number 3.
Number 5, upsells. The hidden costs don't end there.
Around every corner inside 12-minute affiliate is another upsell to make you think, if I just buy this then maybe the system will work and all my dreams will come true.
I'll tell you for a fact. It will just lead you further into the rabbit hole, wondering why you can't get this super simple thing to work. 3 months later you'll check your credit card balance only to wonder how it got this bad. Can you tell I've been down this path before? Chasing lost money is a dangerous thing. Number 6, you won't own your business. This is the kicker. Devon could decide tomorrow, I can't sustain the team and costs of running this thing, I want to go and live on a beach. Your whole business would disappear. You've learned nothing about how to build these funnels, you've lost money buying traffic and are more confused than when you first started. You own zero. Number 7, lack of success stories. Below are a few of the best success stories I found online or in the FB groups. Honestly, just think about it. If there was this magic way to make $460 a day from 12 minutes of work, don't you think more people would be sharing their success? Ready to make passive income online? Just click the first link in the description box below. Number 8. Final word to sum up this 12-minute affiliate review. It's not worth your time or money. There are many hidden truths that you won't learn until you're too far in and already spent a lot of money. But here are the biggest concerns and reason it's really a scam. You have no control and will have to continue to pay for traffic forever. You may make money, but will it be a profit? In 2018 I had no idea what affiliate marketing was. Once I learned about it, it just seemed like a great business model that can grow over time using the power of the internet. So I tried to figure it out by myself. That got me nowhere fast. Then I fell for some terrible online scams. But eventually, I found Wealthy Affiliate. It teaches long-term proven strategies to build an online business with all the tools and support needed. Once you learn the process of getting thousands of people to find your website every month, for free, there really is not limit to what you can achieve online. I've reviewed hundreds of courses or programs that claim to help people make money online. And I've spoken to dozens of 6 to 7 figure online entrepreneurs on my podcast. Discover these secrets now by clicking on the first link in the description box.
If you like the video, subscribe to us and activate the bell button to get new notifications.